Welcome again, people. And boy, may I tell you, it's a sad world we're living in because I have two stories to share with you today. So, the first story is a 19-year-old get charged with 2 counts of murder. Yeah, 2 counts of murder in St. James. The next story I know, 8 prisoners escape the HUNTS Bay police station lockup. We don't know how that happened, but we'll go read and see what going on. So that I told me I have to share with you. Anyway, let me start the first one so you can hear what going on. A 19-year-old was charged with 2 counts of murder in St. James. Detectives from the Major Investigation Division have charged 19-year-old Sheldon Bailey, otherwise called LOKK, of Hendon, Norwood, St. James, with 2 counts of murder, illegal possession of firearm and illegal possession of ammunition. Bailey was charged following the shooting death of 33-year-old Dane Walters, a mechanic of Hendon, Norwood, and a 48-year-old Rodrick Atkins, a construction worker of Hollywood, also in St. James, on Friday, April 10. Reports are that about 1:25 p.m., Walters and Atkins were sitting at a corner shop in Hendon when 2 men drive up in an AD Wagon motorcar and open gunshot fire at them, hitting both of them. Citizens summoned the police, and the injured man were assisted to the hospital, where they were pronounced dead. Following intention investigation, Bailey was arrested and charged on Friday, April 17. His court date is being finalized by the police. So basically, people, from the understanding from just read a while ago, we don't know what the problem they have with one another, a dispute we they have, but we know that it lead up to this. Alright, I move on to the next story now. 8 prisoners escaped from the HUNTS Bay police station. I don't know how that's possible, but it's possible. So anyway, still, let me start it. 8 prisoners on Sunday escaped from the HUNTS Bay police lockup in St. Andrew, South Police Division, that is presently under state of emergency, SOE. The prisoners fled the facility short after 1 p.m. after successfully digging through a wall in their cells. The full details of the jailbreak are still unavailable, but the police have confirmed to track down the escapees. So alright now, people, so now we find out what really are going on the escape through one wall. What may I say? How prisoner fi dig through wall? The police never say the wall maybe crack or something like that, because that's the only thing would kind of explain for them to dig through wall. It kind of really makes sense when you look funny. Or probably ain't gonna get a helping and still no, you never can tell things happening anyway, But anyway, people, if you're new to the channel, like and share and subscribe. Peace and thanks again for tuning in. Next time.